All right. So we want to work on the settings, and I said there are four major important parts when it comes to settings. Very four. Now, you click on settings. All right. And I said something that when you have clicked on your view your channel from here, view your channel. All right. You click on customize channel. Hello. Okay. You click on
Yeah.
customize channel. Once you click on customize
So
channel,
your video is not coming up.
okay.
Yeah.
Let me share my screen. Thanks for that. I think it's better now.
Yes, it is.
So when you're on your channel, I said that let's say you got to YouTube for the first time. All right, you see YouTube. Let's say you just say youtube.com on your browser. You have to go to your profile. All right. I told you that you have to click on your profile here. Then you will see view channel, which you have to click on. So it's loading. So this is view your channel. All right. I've explained this, but I'm doing this again just for a quick recap. So once you click on view your channel, you will see customize channel. All right. You need to click on customize channel. Now the reason why I'm emphasizing on this is because some people, they will go to this menu side here, this profile side, and be clicking on settings again, which is wrong. All right, you're not working on your YouTube channel settings. You are working on the general interface section. You are working on the general YouTube settings. So if you want to work on your YouTube channel, I said click on customize channel.
Give to him. I just so much voice. So, can you send me the one that uh is
Please, someone is speaking at the background. Can you mute your mic? Someone is speaking at the background. Can you mute your mic? Your mic. So once you click on customize channel, you will have settings. You click on settings here. Then you have general. So what currency do you want to see your money as? If you want to see it in dollar, in pounds, you can leave it there. It does not have any restriction. You leave it whatever currency you want to see it as. But you see channel. Under the channel, we have country of residence. This is where you pick Nigeria, because that's where you currently live. All right, put Nigeria. Except after all the settings, you are going back to change it. But put Nigeria, all right, so that they will know who to take your content to. But if you are putting United States, it's going to be going down to that of United States. All right, so it all depends on you. And if you want it to be United States, you can leave it. Depending on the kind of content you are creating, are you creating a Nigeria home based content, or you are creating an abroad based content? So we have advanced settings. All right, advanced settings simply means that this channel you're creating, the content, is it made for kids? If it's yes, you click on yes. If it is no, click on no. If it's you want to review it every time you want to publish, click on I want to. But mine is no, because I am not creating any content related to children's stuff. So and I told you about this basic info here, that they are keywords. I'll be showing you how to make use of vidIQ to get these keywords. So we also have features eligibility. This is the most important part of this segment. All right, now I told you there are four important parts. Every other part are neutral, but this is the most important part. Now at this most important part, you all are automatically qualified to upload video, all right, on YouTube. In as much your email is connected, you are good to go. Create playlist. You can playlist simply means labeling your videos in file, just like the way we have it here. If I should click on my playlist now, you see I have home, videos, shorts, playlist. On my playlist I have can see Facebook videos. Somebody can go there and go and say, okay, I want to watch videos pertaining to Facebook. Another person can go say, I want to watch pertaining to affiliates. Some people can go and say pertaining to YouTube. So it depends on what the person is looking at to learn from my playlist. You can see, you can just go and watch. Playlist is just compiling things together. So back to this. You are permitted to collaborate. That simply means when I publish a video, if I am collaborating with you, automatically my video would reflect on your video. So any amount I'm earning, you are also earning from it. Alright, that's if you are monetized. But if you are not monetized, I'll be earning from whatever video you put, in as much I'm monetized and you are not monetized. So everyone is automatically enabled from it. But we have intermediate features. Intermediate features simply means that you'll be able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. If not, if you are not qualified for this, you can't upload video longer than 15 minutes. You cannot, if you do this, you'll be able to upload customized thumbnail. What is a thumbnail? This is a thumbnail. This seller, this image you see, how to use vidIQ, this image you see, how to change your Facebook name, this image you see is called a thumbnail. Always know that it's called a thumbnail. All right. So if you also do this and you're enabled, you'll be able to live stream. You'll be able to go live. Let me click here. Let me click on this button. See, you'll be able to go live. You can do live stream. You'll be able to do videos longer than 15 minutes. So what you need to do here is to verify phone number. So you see verify phone number. You click on it and you put your phone number. All right. I'm going to be giving you that to do. All right. Then we have advanced features. But please listen. We have advanced features. Advanced features is actually the section that allows you post more videos daily, more short videos daily, for you to put links. You see people put link on their description, YouTube video, and it's clickable. The same thing here. You'll be able to embed live stream. You'll be able to use OBS. OBS allow you to stream on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, different platforms at the same time. We have VidMix also. So you'll be able to embed your live stream on websites. Most of those webinars you see, they are YouTube videos. They just embedded it there. All right. You're able to do A and B testing of test this thumbnail and the other thumbnail. Which one works better? Which one is driving traction? You'll be able to upload more videos daily, and also you'll be eligible to apply for monetization. You can see. So what are they needing is either you use any of these, which is your valid ID card. If you don't do that intermediate features, you cannot do this. That's verification of your phone number. It's either use your video verification, valid ID, channel history, but your valid ID might be rejected. I mean, in most cases, people with valid ID are rejected. So just make use of your video ID. Is widely accepted. Once it's just 6 seconds video you need to take. Don't worry, it's not going to be uploaded on YouTube. It's going to YouTube portal. Nobody's going to see that. All right. But I know many people say, I want to do faceless video. I don't think I can do it. You can do it. All right. So when you do this, when you click on access at this point, it's going to tell you take a 6-second video. Click on it and click on next. Then it's going to tell you get email. All right. It will tell you get email. You click on that get email and go to your phone to continue doing your video verification using your phone. All right. That's where it's going to tell you take your head up, take your head down, look side, look another side also, side by side. So this is just your channel. All right, your channel. I don't want to rush it, so I'm going to come back to this point here because you all have to do this before we end the class. We have permission. This is the fourth aspect. Permission is if I want to invite, let's say I want to invite Messi to come and manage my social media handle. I'll click on invite here. All right. If I say I have to put your email here, then I will select what access I want to give to you. if I give you manager, that means you can see how much I'm earning, you can see everything, and you can remove me as the owner of my YouTube channel. So don't give anyone that. All right, you can delete content also. Now if I give you editor, you can do everything I do, but you cannot remove me as the owner of the account. So I rather give you editor. All right, now if I give you editor limited, you can do everything, but you will not see how much I am earning. Why subtitle editor? You just correct my subtitle alone, but majorly we use CapCut, so this is not even as effective as we used to use it again. We have viewers. That means this person, if I'm giving this person as viewer, this person can view everything on my YouTube channel, the money, everything, but will not be able to touch it. But you see, this viewer limited is what all this music industry are giving to people out there, which is bad. All right, they will allow you to see everything that they are posting. You're having views, engagements, but you will not see monetize. You will not see any period per session. You'll not be like, oh, YouTube has not sent me invites, whereas they are already making money from you. So you need to know about all this so that you will not be cheated. While every other sections are just moderate community guideline, promotion guideline, and agreement guideline. So let's click on our channel back again. Alright, click on your channel back again and go to your features eligibility. Everyone, let's do this now. If you have a question, unmute your mic and ask. Let's do this now. Everybody, let's do this now.